Hello everyone, my name is Williamson Silva. I will present our paper towards an open repository for teaching software modeling applying active learning strategies. So, I will present the context of this research. Try not to identify yourself, okay? Hello, I'm Professor Silva. Every year, I teach software engineering and software modeling using ML diagrams. I realized that I could adopt active learning strategy as a way for significant learning. However, I perceived a number of specific challenges to apply this strategy in my classroom. Some challenges faced by instructors are lessons preparation time, students' resistance, and I feel criteria to decide which are the best active learning strategy to design and implement in my classroom. Based on this context, our research question is how to support instructors to implement active learning strategy for teaching software modeling. To help us, we use the design science research approach. This approach is used to create and evaluate new artifacts in information system and educational research. The artifact we design is OpenSmall, open repository for teaching software modeling from active learning strategies. OpenSmall is an open repository that aims to help instructors to active learning strategy in their teaching context. Besides, OpenSmall provides specific guidelines on how instructors can apply this strategy and the other artifacts. We also define two requirements to help us evaluate OpenSmall. The first one is OpenSmall should provide procedures on how to apply teaching strategy and should provide tools to support the use of this strategy. The second one is OpenSmall should enable instructors to identify the most appropriate active learning strategy to facilitate the use of this strategy during teaching software modeling. To develop OpenSmall, we use active learning strategy identifying the systematic mapping. Then, based on this strategy, we create a conceptual model and we propose an OpenSmall questionnaire based on this decision tree. Based on the answer provided by instructor, the OpenSmall questionnaire recommends a set of strategies, and the instructor can go to the OpenSmall portal for more information about this strategy. We carry out a pilot study and two empirical studies to evaluate OpenSmall, which one of them result in a version of OpenSmall. We conduct semi-structured interview. After that, we perform a qualitative analysis. The results of the qualitative analysis gave us insights to improve OpenSmall. First, we carry out OpenSmall and we identify some negative points. For example, the suggestion of the questionnaire OpenSmall was too generic, reported by instructor 1. By analyzing the results, we realized that the requirement 2 was not achieved yet. Then we elaborate and evaluate the new version of decision tree, and we carry out a first empirical study. In the first empirical study, we found some positive evidence reported by instructors in using OpenSmall. For example, OpenSmall assisting in class planning, OpenSmall recommended strategy according to the teaching context, reported by instructor 2 and instructor 3. The results of OpenSmall, the first empirical study using OpenSmall, provides a lot of evidence about how to improve it. For example, suggestion 5, create an OpenSmall with work design. Suggestion 3, recommendation of strategy should take into account the background of the instructor. So we implemented the improvements in new version of OpenSmall, and in this time we turn OpenSmall in a repository where all the information is available to the instructor. And after that, we carry out the second empirical study. And the results showed the stage of use supports the instructor in the application of this strategy, and the material provided by OpenSmall help the instructor during implementation of these strategies. This is a current version of OpenSmall v4, and some artifacts provided for the instructor, like modeling scenarios, evaluation questionnaire, a data collection sheet, and the others. So, based on the requirement 1 and requirement 2, we observe the instructor better accept OpenSmall. So, we decide not to perform a new empirical study, only perform improvements in the OpenSmall. Finally, by answering our research question is how to support instructor to implement active learning strategy for teaching software modeling, we can suggest to instructor use OpenSmall because OpenSmall was designed to address the practical challenges faced by instructor, and OpenSmall portal is a tool to guide instructor how to implement each active learning strategy in the classroom. And about the new perspective, we intend to carry out new empirical studies with more instructors in the other context, identify factors that may influence the use of OpenSmall, to improve and evolve OpenSmall, and let's collaborate together. Enjoy OpenSmall. Use it to help your colleagues. They are the references used in this presentation. Thank you. And the OpenSmall is available in this website. Thank you again.